In this video, I will show you on how to verify your WeChat identity. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, click on me right here. Next thing you want to do is to go and click on Pay and Services. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Balance. There we go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Come down below right here where you have identity verification. Click on that. Under the identity verification right here, go ahead and click on identity verification. So once you click on identity verification, enter your passport detail and enter your passport detail and click on proceed. Then to take you to a page whereby you will need to upload your selfie and your passport data page. Follow instruction there and upload the detailed information and submit. And in few minutes or hours, your WeChat pay is going to be active and your general identity on your WeChat account is going to be fully verified. It's that simple. More tutorial about how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.